कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को।
I am Divyam Jha. I scored 95.8% marks in CBSE Class 12 board examinations from Science faculty. I am extremely thankful to all my teachers and my parents who helped me in accomplishing my dreams and achieving success. Thank you.
Nancy Anand. This year I appeared in 12th board exams and scored 93.4%. I would like to thank God, my parents and my teachers for their blessings. Thank you dearly.
Hi, my name is Aditya Manna. I have completed my schooling from DV Public School, Malighat. I got 94.4% in class 12. PCM group, it was a combined efforts of my teachers, parents and my own efforts. Teachers are very much experienced and cooperative in nature.
My son achieved this success by hard labor and cooperation of teachers. The environment of the school is very good. Teachers are very cooperative and experienced. Thank you.
उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग।
I am Asfiya Feroz. I owe DAV a great debt of gratitude for what I have achieved. I truly appreciate the efforts made by the whole DAV family, and it would really have been impossible to fetch 92% in boards without them. I am eternally grateful to our principal ma'am for always guiding us towards the right path and providing us with all the facilities that we needed. My warmest thanks to my class teacher Imran sir, my subject teachers, and all the teachers out there who have ever taught me, for supporting me, for motivating me, and in helping me keep growing. Thank you.
अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Myself Praful Raj. I secured 90% marks in my boards. Me getting good marks was the collective efforts of my teachers and parents. This prestigious institution gave me a lot and in building my overall development. I pay high gratitude and regards to my teachers, especially Imran sir, who was my true guide and a source of inspiration.
Sarfaraz has been a sincere and brilliant student since his beginning. Presently, under the stewardship of Imran sir, class teacher DAV Public School Malighat, he did his best. Thanks to DAV.
अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
I'm Kavya Khan, and I am here to thank everyone and everything that helped me in scoring more than 90% marks in my board exams. I'd like to deliver my grateful thanks to our principal Dr. Bharti Nayak and our most respectful teachers Imran sir, Neetu ma'am, Avinash sir, Amit sir, R.K. Pathak sir, S.M. Pandey sir, and other people whose efforts combined with mine resulted in me being here talking about scoring more than 90% marks. I'm also very thankful to my parents for always supporting me in my low times and telling me that there's nothing I can do, and for always keeping me away from the distractions whose control I did not have in my hands. As much cliche it may sound, but self-study is the key. Thank you.
इस दुनिया में ना तो कुछ मुश्किल होता है, ना ही आसान होता है। सारा खेल मानने का है। जो मानता है कि उसके लिए मुश्किल है, तो उसके लिए मुश्किल है, और जो मान लेता है कि मेरे लिए आसान है, तो उसके लिए सब आसान है।
Hi, this is Ronnie Snap. I have secured 86% in my class 12 board examination with the help of strong determination and by the practicing the NCERT questions and reading NCERT line by line, and I am currently preparing for NEET examination and I want to be a cardiologist. Thank you.
Hello, this is Ananya Jha. I scored 93.8% marks in my CBSE Class 12 board exam. exams. And for this, I want to thank my school, that is DAV, that was guided by teachers who not only helped me in my aspects, but also enlightened my path in different aspects of life when and wherever needed, just like my own guidance. I want to thank my whole school from the bottom of my heart.
Isha, I have recently passed class 12th with good scores. It is because of my school, our principal Dr. Bharti Nayak, and my parents who believe in me and will put all their efforts to make my life successful. I would like to thank them all. Thank you.
Namaste. This is Imran Kausar, a faculty of chemistry. Few days back, CBSE published the result of class 12, and I am very much pleased to announce that most of our candidates shown an excellent performance in the examination. Naturally, they came up to our expectations by their honest efforts, their parents' blessings, as well as the teachers' cooperation. Indeed, the entire DAV Malighat family and our respected principal ma'am Dr. Bharti Nayak as well feel proud of them and will keep praying for them for their glorious future. Thank you.
रोके तुझको आंधियां क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा लक्ष्य को हर हाल में पाना है.
I am Nikiraj. I have secured 96.8% in my 10th boards. I feel very delighted to have achieved this all because of God's grace and blessings of my witnesses. My parents, my teachers at DAV has been my inspiration throughout the journey, which helped me to be consistent and hardworking in the right direction. I am really happy and satisfied with my results. I hope that this kind of performance will be repeated in the future as well. Once again, I am grateful to God, my parents, my teachers, friends and others who has been part of my journey. Thank you.
तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम रुकना झुकना नहीं तेरा काम तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम रुकना
Even myself, I got 91% in class 10 board examination. It was only possible because of my teachers and my parents. They are very supportive and always encouraged me.
Congratulations, Ruki, for taking 91% marks in your schools, and especially thanks to your teacher who inspire you and teach you.
बहुत खुश हूँ और मेरे घर के सभी सदस्य बहुत खुश हैं. इसमें सारा सहयोग सर लोग का.
से चलना है.
Hello guys, I am Anshvi from DAV Malighat Muzaffarpur and I scored 96% marks in my 10 board exams. I am feeling really good and satisfied with my marks. All this has been possible because of the blessings that I got and the labor I did. The teachers at DAV Malighat have been very supportive and motivating throughout the session, and for this I am very much thankful to them. Also, I want to thank my parents, my friends for their encouragement. Thank you all.
Hello, Namaste. I am Anjali's father. My daughter Anjali scored 96% marks in her 10th board exam. So I am feeling very happy and I want to thank all her teachers who supported and motivated her throughout the session.
गिरता वही जो चलता है बस इतना सा करना है.
Priyanshu Kumar, I got 95.4% marks and I'm quite happy with it. It is all because of the blessings of my loving parents, the support of my teacher and my caring friends. My dream is to be an engineer and I want to complete it through IIT. My hobby is to play games.
लोग बहुत खुश है, इसने 95 प्लस लाया है। इसका श्रेय इसकी कड़ी मेहनत और स्कूल टीचर को देते हैं। आशा करते हैं आगे चल के और अच्छा
जिंदगी बहुत ही छोटी, कल तक मैं
My name is Mansi. I got 93% in my boards exam, and it was only possible because of my parents and my school teachers. They supported me a lot.
बच्चे बहुत प्राउड फील कराते हैं, लेकिन उस प्राउड में टीचर्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहता है। बिना टीचर्स के हम लोग बच्चों के ऊपर उतना फेथ नहीं कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
इस दुनिया में ना तो कुछ मुश्किल होता है, ना ही आसान होता है। सारा खेल मानने का है। जो मानता है कि उसके लिए मुश्किल है, तो उसके लिए मुश्किल है। और जो मान लेता है कि मेरे लिए आसान है, तो उसके लिए सब आसान है।
Hello everyone, I am Sambhavi. I got 91.4% marks in 10th board. I want to thank my parents and teachers to help me and support me to score this. Teachers were very friendly and helped us in solving problems. I got quality education here. Thank you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं।
Myself Manish Kumar. I appeared in class 10 board examination. I got 94.8% in my examination. Sincerely, I want to thank my parents and all the teachers who helped me very much and support me very much to get me such marks. I am very happy that I have been part of DAV Maligarh.
अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीद।
Namaste. This is Vinita Mishra. Recently, CBSE 10th board results were declared, and I am humbled to say that I had the fortune to be the class teachers of the toppers, Nikhil Raj and Anjali Kumari. They got the first and second position respectively. I would like to congratulate them and to their parents. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teaching and non-teaching staffs of DAV family. This was a team effort. I would also like to extend my gratitude to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Bharti Nair, for visionary leadership. I wish good luck and bright future to all my students who had cleared CBSE 10th board with flying colors. Thank you.